How to enable tabs in File Explorer on Windows 11 22H2 build 22621. Okay. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable tabs in File Explorer on Windows 11 22H2. Here you can see there are no tabs in Windows 11 22H2. Now open any web browser. Here search vivetool and hit enter. Click on this link or even check it from the video description. Move down and click to download vivetool from GitHub. Copy the folder to drive C. Right-click the vivetool.zip and extract it. Now copy the extracted folder's path. Click on Start. Open Search and look for Command Prompt. Right-click on Command Prompt and run as administrator. In Command Prompt, type cd and paste the path you copied address. Now in Command Prompt, type the following commands one by one. Even you can check them in the description link below. Once done, move down to the Start menu and then restart the PC or laptop. Done. Now here when I open the Explorer it has the Tab button. Here you will see that tabs are now working in File Explorer. You can create a new tab by clicking on the plus icon or from the context menu. You can also drag and drop tabs to change their position. So that's today's video. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe and leave a comment if it's useful to you.